So we're taking a look again at the monitor, which is the BenQ Zowie monitor, and we're looking at the main benefits. So you've got the Black Equalizer, you've got the DyAc, which is dynamic accuracy. So basically, when you're doing, when you got that switched on into the monitor, running at 240 Hz refresh rate, is the fact that when you're spraying or when you're playing games with, say you're playing on a 60 Hz monitor, everything seems a bit like motion blur, and you can't see accurately where you are shooting. So with that switched on, it's meant to reduce everything, reduce motion blur and make it very smooth gameplay with a refresh rate at 240 Hz. You can knock it down to 140 Hz, it depends on how you want to play it, but I played it at 240 Hz, and obviously playing it on a mobile phone, you can see definitely motion blur spinning around really quickly. Now on a desktop computer, when you're playing esports levels, you need to have everything that's very accurate. So spraying bullets is not going, it's going to, basically you're going to have to go and loot the place and find out where you can get more bullets and stuff, and then other times where you don't want to do that and you've only got a few bullets, you want to make sure that counts. So having a very smooth monitor refreshes at 240 Hz is perfect. So it's awesome to know that you got that, you can switch it on. I think there's 3 levels. We're going to take a look at that, go into the menu, find out exactly where it is, and obviously show you in the game. I've got Fortnite, which I'm going to be using. This is going to be used really for CSGO, Fortnite, and mainly shooting games, like Call of Duty and what else is there? There's loads of them, loads of shooting games, can't remember them all. And then we're going to use the Black Equalizer. We're going to find dark spots in the actual game. Hopefully I won't get killed before I can even show you, but it's basically black dark spots where people hide, and it's really annoying because when you play a game like that for so long and you want to make sure that people coming out and they're fighting and shooting, showing their skills, I want to be able to do that. But the thing is, they don't want to come out, they want to win the game, so they're going to hide and they will just pick you off at certain angles. Now with this, you've got the Black Equalizer, which doesn't compromise the rest of the settings of the colour, and it doesn't wishy-washy out. So basically when you've got a target and you're ready to shoot that person but you can't really see them because it's too dark, you can just go into Black Equalizer mode and then increase it just enough so you can see them and take them out. But what we're going to do is show you going into like a dark areas of the truck where it's really dark, and show you like how there's no compromises with this screen because it's got 240 Hz and it makes it really buttery smooth. Some bits might not be able to show properly on the camera because it might flicker compared to the shutter speed of the camera and how fast this moves, where it moves at 240 Hz, so it's really freaking fast. And obviously we talk about colour vibrance as well, like what's the difference between like using normal colour vibrance. So you got like 20 different settings that you can really optimise the game and make it look really nice and clean. But anyway, enough talking, let's get in there and check it out. So what we're going to do, I'm going to open up the box first, so it's all darker and stuff. Alright, now I'm going to turn on the equalizer, the Black Equalizer on here. As you can see, if someone was hiding, you're going to blatantly be able to see them, and this is really quite dark, so now it's not. Now if I turn the darkness off, so the Black Equalizer's off, I know you can still see things, but some people can really hide in like these dark spots. So far that looks pretty awesome. So now I can just turn it up, so just click into my menu. and then put it right up. Then I could see wherever I'm looking for. I can look and find whatever I need to find. So now I'm going to just turn it down, go into normal areas, see if I can find anywhere that's darker so I can show you more stuff. So to easily get the black equalizer mode up, you've got the little controller that comes with the BenQ Zowie monitor. Just press the middle button there, scroll to, is it this one, third one? Yeah, scroll to the third one, and then you can go up all the way by using the scroll wheel to get it really bright, and then scroll all the way down, or just scroll down and up until you get your own preferences for what you want to do with it. So it's as simple as that. So I'll show you again. So basically, press the middle button and then go to the third icon in the middle, press down on the scroll wheel and then go up, and then you'll start to see in increments that it will go up into brighter equalizers, black equalizer I should say, and then you can scroll down and it takes it off. And you can also get it into the menu without having that controller by pressing the third button in, third again, and then use the arrow keys to go up to brighten it up, and then down to brighten it down, or do it in increments, and then just X to exit off. Now to switch on the DyAc, you press the menu button and you go to the right hand side, and then you get everything on the menu, and then you go across one, and that's where you'll find it. On the screen it might start flickering, but to me it will look excellent on the screen in real life. So if I go to high, that's on, and then you got premium, and it just looks absolutely stunning, but I don't know what it looks like on the camera. I guess it'll probably be flickering or something. So I'm just going to turn that off and then leave it off like that. And then to get to color vibrance, scroll down and then into the menu, so you can go up and down, and this is where you can basically have it black and white if you want black and white, if you're colour blind. And then you can get it right up. Now I see the benefits of the color vibrance. It makes it more of a player experience for me, but it also, you can have so many settings where you can really play with the colors and then make sure that like you ain't losing any colors from the game. The game looks stunning, and it's still smooth. That's what I love about it. I think it's excellent. So those are the main benefits, other than the DyAc as well, which is pretty good. You can spray up everything and you can move about backwards and forwards, and basically the bullets are like no blur. It's just nice shooting, and it just feels like a more player experience. But these are made for esports or esporters, so basically if you want to be as good as an esporter and you want to play very professional level, or you want the game to feel as real as what it will be, that's what you should have, one of these monitors. Anyway, hope this video was helpful for the main benefits of this. Like, subscribe, share and everything like that, and ask me any comments you want to find out about this monitor, and I'll obviously get back to you as soon as possible and let you know. Thanks for watching.